God is trying to tell rich folks something. God is trying to tell y'all something. He's more powerful than your money. And when this hurricane come your way, your money will be obsolete. You better fix your heart. God can send a storm and wash your dog away. He has the power, and he can do what he please when he please. I see God moving in a way like he's never have before. And he's starting with the head, and he ain't fucking with the tail. Because y'all have slaved us for nothing, kept your knee on our neck. He said the head will be the tail, and if you live long enough, you will see it. And God is no shorter than his word. He's coming to your city next, and he's gonna be like Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall and had a great fall. And all the king horses couldn't put it back together again. God getting ready to blow your shit down the drain.